Once you know why I mixed salt with aloe vera, you will never use another method again. Even if it looks a little strange, when you see why I am mixing these two ingredients, I confess you will do it immediately. So don't skip a minute of the video, as you will learn this super trick, and know why I mixed salt with aloe vera. Take advantage and comment on which city you are watching us in and tell me if it is cold or hot in there, guys. There is a passage in the Bible in the book of John 16 verse 33 that says, "In this world you will have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world." That is, Jesus is our reason not to be discouraged when we go through afflictions. And continuing the video, aloe vera, or aloe as it is known, has several benefits, but why take this plant? Number 1, it controls weight, because its juice contains many benefits for digestion and detoxification. It helps the body to have a stable weight, helps digestion, improves immunity, reduces stress, improves heart health, cleanses the skin, improves liver function. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant, whose use is very popular, and has been used for thousands of years and by different as in Greece, Egypt, India, Mexico, Japan and even China. You can use it both for skin wounds, burns, sores and ulcers. Also, this super plant, besides those benefits, is fundamental for weight loss. So today I will teach you the correct way to prepare aloe vera water, to lose weight, and at the same time receive its multiple wellness benefits for our health. But before you continue, share this super video with someone so that they also know this valuable advice. How to prepare aloe vera water. For this water we will need 1 branch of aloe vera, salt, and 1 liter of water. How to prepare it is super easy. Start by putting in a pot some water and adding a teaspoon of salt. Then we'll take it to the stove and I'll put it on low heat. And meanwhile, with aloe vera already washed, we're going to cut it into pieces. Just like you see on the screen there. And now I'm going to go to the stove and check if the water is already hot in a temperature that I can resist introducing my fingers into it, since it can't be too hot and not too cold. Now with the temperature I'll turn off the heat and add the aloe vera pieces and let it sit for 12 minutes. This salt and aloe vera trick is to take all the bitterness out of it. You will see that the water will turn yellowish, resulting in the total removal of its bitterness, and after that time, with an absorbent towel, I will dry all my aloe vera. And when my aloe vera is totally dry, we will cut its edges on both sides, and we will remove a piece of its bark, and with the help of a spoon, we will extract all its gel. This gel, we will add it to a container together with the liter of water that we will drink. With my clean hands we are going to crush all the aloe vera. This water, folks, you can take 3 or 2 times a day, and if you like to have the best taste, you can squeeze the juice of a lemon. I guarantee you that the results you will have both physically and healthily to your body will be more than noticeable. Tell us what it's called in your country. Guys, the advice we give here is just a compliment to improve your health, having as a priority to always go to your trusted doctor to take care of your health, okay? Comment there if you would dare to make this homemade recipe, and if you got this far, leave me the word aloe vera, so I'll know you watched our video until the end. A big hug, stay with God, and I'll see you in the next video.